ShipMonk is a solid dropshipping software, but before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll dive into how it stacks up against competitors, so you'll know if it's the right fit for your business. The first thing to know is ShipMonk's main strength, its order management system. ShipMonk offers a streamlined interface that can handle large volumes of orders efficiently. Unlike some competitors, it provides real-time updates, which can save you time when fulfilling orders, making it a reliable option if you're scaling quickly. Next, ShipMonk excels at integration with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. While other dropshipping tools may offer integrations, ShipMonk's setup process is more intuitive, making it easy for beginners to get started. This can be a big plus if you're just starting out. The third thing to keep in mind is its warehouse network. ShipMonk has multiple fulfillment centers across the US, which can help you reduce shipping times significantly compared to competitors with fewer warehouses. But if international shipping is a key part of your business, you may find some other tools offer a wider range of global fulfillment options. Next thing, pricing. ShipMonk doesn't charge setup fees, but they do have a pay-as-you-go model based on order volume, storage, and other services. While this is great for smaller businesses, some competitors offer fixed monthly rates, which might be more predictable if you have higher order volumes. The fifth thing is ShipMonk's automation features. From inventory syncing to order processing, ShipMonk automates a lot of the routine tasks. However, other tools like Oberlo or Spocket might offer more specialized automation for dropshipping, so it's worth comparing if automation is your top priority. Next, let's talk about customer service. ShipMonk has a solid reputation for responsive customer support. They offer phone, email, and chat options. That said, some competitors, like ShipBob, have been known to offer slightly more robust customer service, including personalized account managers for higher tier plans. The seventh point is ShipMonk's reporting tools. The platform provides useful analytics for tracking inventory levels, orders, and shipments, but it's not as in-depth as some other platforms like ShipHero, which has more advanced reporting capabilities. If you need deep insights into your operations, this might be a limitation for ShipMonk. Next, ShipMonk offers excellent packaging and branding services. They allow you to create custom packaging, which can help you establish a branded experience for your customers. While other platforms like Fulfillment by Amazon offer branded options, ShipMonk is known for providing more flexibility in this area. The ninth thing is its scalability. ShipMonk is great for small to medium-sized businesses, but for large enterprises, the platform may not scale as well as other top competitors, like Red Stag Fulfillment, which specializes in high-volume, heavy products. The 10th point to consider is ShipMonk's inventory management system. While it's fairly robust, there are limitations on how you can track inventory across different sales channels. If you need more control, software like TradeGecko might offer better features in terms of multi-channel inventory management. Next, ShipMonk supports a variety of shipping carriers, which allows for flexibility in offering your customers various shipping options. However, it may not have the same level of carrier integration as other competitors, like ShipBob, which offers better options for international fulfillment and more complex shipping needs. The 12th and final thing to know is that ShipMonk's user interface is user-friendly, but not as customizable as some others. If you're looking for a platform that allows you to really tweak the look and feel, you might prefer something like EasyShip, which offers more customization options. So, is ShipMonk a good option for your dropshipping business? Overall, yes. It's a reliable platform, especially if you're focusing on US-based fulfillment and looking for something simple to use. But if you want a solution with more global options, advanced reporting, and better pricing predictability, there are other options that might be a better fit. Check out our recommended solution, which offers a free trial and might be a better fit for your needs.